Hi everyone, this is Doug Putnam. I'm going to show you my first Smalltalk program. I kind of made this by accident. I discovered Squeak when I was in an algebra class and I wanted to do some graphing. So I found this, I was reading a book called Squeak, Learning to Program with Robots, and here's what we ended up with. So when we start up Squeak, we just click on the image and it pops open. Notice with a blank little work environment, we can do everything in here. It's a little different than other things we've worked with. We get out this little workspace, and it's kind of toy looking here, so that kind of put me off at first. I thought, is it really real? It really is. It just doesn't have a great look. I'm going to paste this code in so you don't have to watch me type. I make a lot of mistakes, and it can be really frustrating to watch somebody type in a lot of errors. I'm not going to edit this, so we're just going to go straight through. Notice at the top here, we've got the vertical bars. We use these a lot in Ruby too, but here they're used a little differently. The word pica inside of here is a local variable, temporary variable, and the first thing we're going to do is create an instance of a bot. So the bot is defined by the application. This whole thing is customized to do graphics. So we get a bot new. Notice the syntax. We have bot, so this is the receiver, this is the class, and new is the message. And what it does is return an instance of a bot. So the bot can do things like point to the west, it can jump, here it jumps to 30, it can point to the north, then it can jump another 100 and point to the north. We can chain all of these calls to this one particular object by using semicolons. We can have separate calls also, but this is a shortcut. And Smalltalk has iterators. You can see that Ruby borrowed these. We have 100, and 100 is an integer. Integers have a times repeat method, so, or a message, we should say. So when we say 100 times repeat, it means do it 100 times. Do what? Well, we have the square bracket here. Square brackets are blocks of code. So this block of code will be executed 100 times. So let's see how it works. Let me move this over a little bit. I don't want it to rush off the screen. And I just click do it. So when I click do it, we generate those 100 little squares. I can change their angle or make it appear in a different place. Let me make it jump over 400. We'll do it again right on top. We can see this. I can mess around with this. So if you're a kid like me, this is a lot of fun because I can poke it and make it do stuff. So I like Squeak and Smalltalk in general because it's alive. Now, if what always confused me was that there's no file to save. If I want to, I can quit this or save this object, and I can save the entire program. I can then I can quit it. It'll ask me if I want to save it. I'll say no. When I come back to start it up, my program will be right here, right where I left it. So this is really cool. I can take this little my little image, and I can put it anywhere, and whether I move it over to Linux or to my Windows machine, and I can stick it into my machine, and I can run it just like that. This is all very cool and exciting. So this is a trivial example, but believe me, trivial though it is, it's quite fun. Talk to you later. Have fun with Smalltalk. I'm borrowing that from somebody. Bye-bye.